Want to save while you spend? Enroll in Making Sense and round up your Cornerstone Bank debit card purchases to boost your savings. Log into your Cornerstone app and let's get started. Click your profile in the upper right corner of the home screen and select Banking Services. Then Additional Services. On the next screen, find and select Making Sense Opt-in. The opt-in screen explains how the program works. Each day, Cornerstone Bank will round up your debit card purchases to the nearest whole dollar and transfer the total excess amount from your checking account to your savings account. Please note, you must have an eligible Cornerstone Bank checking account and savings account to enroll. Once you've reviewed the complete terms and conditions, select the checking account associated with your card. Then, select the savings account to which you would like your daily roundup amount transferred. Review your selections for accuracy and click Submit. A pop-up will indicate that your submission was successful. After submitting your request, you will receive a secure message confirming your enrollment in Making Sense. To see this message, click the messages icon in the bottom menu.